Gordon, sleep in a tent, stay outside all weekend. I'll pack food and supply. We'll start a fire under the night sky. Let's take the kids and the dog. We won't even worry about logging on. The river's just a little walk away. We can play all day. Let's go camping forever when we're all together. There is nothing better, camping forever. Let's go camping forever when we're all together. There is nothing better, camping forever. Forever.
Your mother is very haggard.
Oh, very good. Kainan na ang Team Vietnam.
Diyan ko kayo. Ayan.
Yeah.
So haggard.
Agad na.
Tapos na ang ating journey.
Saan tayo?
Saan tayo next?
Ngayon?
Uwi na, no? Basta,
Starbucks.
Bia!
Let's go camping forever when we're all together. There is nothing better, camping forever.
Hello, pupunta kami ngayon sa Tanay Rizal. Let's go!
Tinitignan mo.
Hello guys! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Tanay Rizal.
Saan kaya?
Saan kaya?
Escape?
Sa Viewscape.
Ranch?
Sa tingin mo? Saan tayo? Huh?
Escape.
Viewscape kasi mountain.
So guys, pumunta muna tayo yun tapos
Bili kaya yung panada.
para bumili yung empanada.
Bili ka muna yung panada. Kasi nanay mo gusto na yung panada.
Empanada?
Umorder ako sa Shopee pero hindi dumating. Hindi umabot. Kaya bili muna tayo ng pansamantagal.
Kinancel mo?
Hindi.
Ito ang alam ko dito sa trip natin ngayon. Punta tayo Viewscape, mag-grab na sa sinabi sa akin. Punta tayo Viewscape. 2 hours yun. Naririnig ako. Dadaan tayong Taguig. Oh, alam niyo na. Wag lang. Hintayin ko muna si Daddy. Kasi bumibili pa siya ng bagong ano. Kung ano ba yan. Off cam muna kami. Bili lemon. Bibili nito. At yun. Master Siomai.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on
God. Coconut? Maubos mo ba yan? Of lotion.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light than me
Ako pa yan.
to see the
We're so excited to go camping.
Very excited. Ikaw nagpapadumi ba?
horizons were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
Ma.
Sa doon lang po muna sir sa gilid.
Ano, quiet rules. 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Magkakaroon. Oo, meron. 5. Overnight. Pag ganitong bata, 300. Ito? 4. 100. Ayun. So, 4 lang.
Hanap tayo ng spot, guys.
Natakot na mag-video. Tignan mo naman yung view. Mahulog talaga to. Mahulog niya. Dito, may dilim. Wait naman ang dilim.
Dito. Ito naman. Saan? Saan, Lok?
Not tomorrow.
Mas malapit sa CR.
There's no
Eh, CR, malapit.
borrow.
Panalo na to. Hindi na tayo magtatayo.
Something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
You actually see it yesterday. You actually see it yesterday.
Yes. Oh,
Hello, guys. Hi. Hop. What? Yeah, kamusta ang setup?
Kapagod.
Pagod ka? Ano? Tapos na yung setup? Narin sa labas.
Picture na lang.
Tiago, hi.
your mother is very haggard.
How about Tiago? Very good, Tiago. You cleaning the ano? The table? Very good. Oh, very good. Lo, pagod ka na? Pagod ka na? Uy! Kuya. Sayaw ka. Liz. Sige na.
Okay. Go.
Hi! Kita tayo niya?
Hindi, umiikot pa. Yan. Kaway.
Ay, ito na camera.
Saan tayo?
Chago, the moon is showing up.
Saan ba tayo?
Careful, Chago.
I've become a figment of my imagination. That's why I run towards self-love and inner restoration. I don't know what it is that I'm climbing to. I hear your words in my head. You said the mountain is you, and only worry can bring me down. I'm scared to let go of what I'm scared to lose. I'm pouring out myself. I'll give it all for the view, and only worry can bring me down. You said the mountain is you. The mountain is you.
Okay. Later you eat again.
Find the window, guys.
Like gravity so strong pulls us in when feeling more. Trying hard to picture more, but my thoughts still say, no, don't get in my way. We're like the sun, golden rays now on the run. Driving the fame, the 101. And now we've seen the stars. Ooh, yeah, the lovers on the mountain. Dreamers passing through California. The sun is beaming down and Sequoia.
Sunog.
Like the
Asan yan?
flickers makes me feel brand new.
Hi! Hi, the camera! Kiss daddy, kiss daddy. One more, kiss daddy.
I'm on the camping.
On the camping?
Yeah. Look at the fire.
Look at the fire?
I got the fence.
How's your day? How's your day, Chago? Are you happy? You love camping?
Yeah.
Para masuna yung mga nasa taas.
It looks like 99 in the forward.
Picture, dapat parang nakaganyan.
99 in the forward.
You put your light here.
Ano na
Oh, wait. How do I get out?
Say hi daw.
Say hi to the camera.
Mommy is asleep. Because mommy have sipples.
Alip. Hi. Good.
Ano yan? Sige.
Morning. Good morning. Tingnan. Lamig.
I would take the stars out of the sky for you.
Good morning,
Stop the rain
everyone.
from falling.
Good morning, good
if you
morning, good morning,
ask
good
me
morning, good
to.
morning.
I'd do anything for you. Your
morning,
wish
Mais.
is my command.
Patay ko muna yung apoy.
I could move a mountain when your
Dito pa.
hand is in my hand. Words cannot express how much you mean to me.
Mainit ah.
There must be some other way to make you see.
See?
If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the
I
price.
can't open it.
Everything that I possess, I'd
Thank you,
gladly
ate.
sacrifice.
Because this is dominator.
That's one is for Kuya
To me,
Lucas.
you're everything, the sweetest song that I
For
could
Tiago only.
sing. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Hello guys.
To you,
Meron
I
kaming
guess
cake ni
I'm
Tiago.
just the clown who picks you
Meron.
up
Ay,
each
say hi.
time you're
Thank you,
down.
ate.
Oh, baby. Oh,
1, 2, 3.
baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon.
Why don't do that?
You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you've got the best of me.
Yes.
Come on and take the rest of me, oh baby.
Ah,
Though you're close to me, we seem so
Pangaling
far
tapat sa
apart. Maybe given time, you'll have a change of heart.
wow.
If it takes forever,
There's a pizza in
girl,
campsite.
then I'm prepared to wait. The
And
day
also
you
halo-halo.
give your love to me won't be a day too late. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. To you, I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You give me
Two, three, go,
just a
talon.
taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you've got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you've got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me. Oh, baby. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh.
It's good. It's good. Hey, drink your Milo na. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Oh, mommy's there. Hi. Sarap ang spam. Siyempre, luto ni daddy yan. Ayun naman eh. Ayun naman yung view oh. Kumakain kayo, as ganyan yung view nyo oh. Wow. Tapos may gantong batang makulit.
Oh, you have 4.
Again? So, guys, ano oras na? 7:59.
Tapos wala ka nang magawa.
Maaga pa pero kailangan mo ng tulog.
No.
At si Lucas ay Milo.
Ayan, hindi na tayo masyadong kita dito.
Nagma-Milo si Noknok. May hi ka sa vlog. Hi vlog.
Black.
Sobrang lamig. Nakuhanan ko lang sa labas. Oh, Kuya Caleb. Yeah. Hindi na lamig. Sobrang lamig ah.
Sarap naman.
The road is long, but feels alright. With dusty shoes and borrowed light. Every step we learn to trust. The shape of hope, the weight of us. No map in hand, no perfect plan. Just breathing deep, becoming who we can. Still we walk, no need to rush. Hands are tied, but hearts are tough. Every fall still leaves a mark, teaching us to love the dark. Still we walk, side by side. Let the years just pass us by. Old songs hum
Kainan na ang Team Vietnam.
inside our chest.
Kain niyo.
Not all answers pass the test. Some days bend, some days break, but every scar, a choice we make. If doubts come knocking at the door, we'll smile and let them stay no more. Still we walk, no need to rush. Hands are tied, but hearts are tough. Every fall still leaves a mark, teaching us to love the dark. Still we walk, side by side. Let the years just pass us by.
May ganda na.
If the sky forgets our names, we'll still laugh inside the rain. Nothing proved, just a light on the sleeve.
Yan na.
So, ayan. Say hi, kahit ang init. Init, kuya?
Init.
Ang ganda ng ano mo na, t-shirt mo.
T-shirt.
It's maroon. Diyan ko kayo. Ayan.
Yeah.
So haggard.
Agad na.
Tapos na ang ating journey.
Saan tayo?
Saan tayo next?
Ngayon?
Uwi na, no? Basta,
Starbucks.
Bia!
Laging nakago, kahit bagyo pa yan. Kapit lang mahigpit, tayo ang sandalan. Kahit magpalisaban, problema sabay haharapin. Pamilyan bako, tayo ang kapitan.
Hola, senyor. Take 2. Hola, senyor.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Hola.
Wala? Wala.
Sol Midora.
Akala ko bola.
Kala ko iced tea. Yung pala beer.
Oo.
Kala ko reverse. Wala second gear. Ay, isa pa. Magdalena? Anong problema? Kumakain. Huwag ka tumaik na ganyan. Maganda ko na lang. Mag-hi ka.
Wala nga kaming ano.
Anong hi yan? Ganito?
Nabiling ano. Butane.
Ano ba? Hi.
Wala na.
Wala.
Ha?
Okay din, okay. Wala. So, iligaw ka. Gantayin mo.
Bakit?
Ganun mo.
Siyempre, papunta pa lang, mag-i-Starbucks na tayo agad. Talaga namang food trip pala talaga to.
Ang bilis eh.
Diba? Tiago wants to eat donut! Malihirap kasi.
Walo.
Ale! Nasa langit na ba ako? Mama! Kayo po ba si San Pedro? Appointed mo na.
Nasa langit na ba? Oo, ale. Nasa langit na. Ale. Nasa langit na ba?
Ale.
Hallelujah! Pati parcel mo ha.
Kahit pumasakit na di magbabago. At kahit na anong bagyo, ika'y masusundo.
Umuulan, Daddy.
Wala ka sa akin.
Ba't nang dilim?
Na ikaw na magdala.
Nakulimlim lang yan. Meron tayong butane.
Pam pam.
Ikaw muna.
Pam pam.
Ikaw muna.
Pam pam.
Ikaw muna.
Sige. Andito na si Chito.
So may sabihin, may
Harap na ako ah. Ikaw si Francis.
ako ano.
Andito na si Cloud9. Wala siyang apelido. Uy, Ram. Sama-sama pasap ng lagi ko. Tekla, astig. Pagkakaya ng bibig.
Ngayon.
Ikaw na. Uy.
Takot mga isip na rhyme na maganda. Ang pagligtas. At astig ko sa mga marinig ang
Libo-libo na Pilipino nagiginig sa mga kapib ko. Yung ba nagugulat sa mga naganap? Para bang panaginip na pinilit ba kami talagang sinusulat? Kaya hindi makulit, kailangan gilingan din ang kahit dapat anong tutugan ng parokya ng aming sa mga shit pa to.
Ito yung country road oh.
Ah, country road.
Gantin na kuya na tali.
Tapos na si Chito, si Lucas Bactol.
Igor Basarga.
Barsa.
Tinanong si Zero Ingram, siguro sa maximum. Sorry, volley, Magnum. Saan?
Tanghali pa lang oh. Make this. Naka na ba yung mic?
Ayun na. At ang muling bagsakan, si Lucas ay babanat.
Pero walo, galit pa wala nang sumakot pa. Kalala ko pumangit pero okay lang. Di naman kami makasapula nang sumabay ka sa amin.
Ang galing.
Ayoko na.
Birthday!
Birthday!
Sago dito ka lang dito. Baka mga... Ibang din yun, be?
Masarap yung malamig, di ba?
Oo. Parang bagyo siya, di ba? Parang dun pa ngayon. Yun o.
Ang laki. Ang laki ng bagyo. Laki ng bulto.
Hindi, ganyan kalaki. Ganyan ka ano. Laki yung atot.
Ata.
At least.
Sana yung zip loads. Dito na nga nakuha yung shop, oh.
Ano ba yan? Mount ano yan?
Waking up to see this view.
Anong mount yun?
Mount Mayon.
Ayun, Mount Igorot. Hula-hula lang eh.
Uy, ulo, kuya.
May uno. Calooc Rivers.
Maganda ko mag-reverse.
Dito na lang. Hapon naman na.
Ay, paano ka?
Hapon na. Gusto mo kain muna tayo para mamaya na kayo ng tayo ng tent.
Did I give this?
Wala naman tao eh.
Baka may mga dumating.
Saan na lang?
Mainit pa eh.
Ano ka?
Ami.
Ha?
Saan na lang?
Dito daw.
Dito daw.
Pag sa umaga na nakikita mo yun. What will you say? Hello!
I like the camping.
You like the camping. How about your shirt? You like your shirt?
Yeah.
It's
Look at
nice. Wow. Are you the one who chose it?
Me.
Are you? Okay. Are you seeing the mountain? Do you like the view of the mountains?
Yeah. Wait, I see the mountain.
Oh, that's the mountains. Go, stand there, stand there. Oh, show them. This is the mountain. Come on.
Show me the mountain.
And what will you say? I like it here.
I like it.
Okay, go to the camera. Then go to the camera. Run. Here. Now run. Go to the camera. Take up here. And high five here. High five in the camera. Go. Run. Very good. You're now. You see that he is now a blogger.
I can't dance. I can't dance.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, behind you.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Look, it's Kuya Caleb and Kuya Luca. Come on. We are doing.
Start na. Hindi pag yung tao nag-camping dito pwede. Ayun o.
Be careful ah.
Ay, Lali, bumili ka ba ng ano?
Busy si Kuya Caleb. Kailangan niya na magluto para sa pamilya. Tago, good morning!
Order ka na lang din.
Luluto nga kami ng noodles tsaka ng kopi-kopi. You like here? Ami, you like here daw? So much daw, Mami. Lawas, hi.
What is it? Well, what are you doing? What are you doing? Look! Look! I'm good.
Caleb, ano masasabi mo sa camping natin?
Ha?
Ano masasabi mo sa camping?
Camping? Okay lang.
Happy ka ba?
What are you doing? Good.
What? Can I see again? What? It's a break dance.
Okay, wait.
What? Your hands, ah. Baka it will, ano, ah. It will bali. Miss Daddy. Long kiss. Long kiss. Long kiss. Okay. Yeah, what's up? Ano yan? Anong pangalan yan?
Uy.
Big boy. Yeah, big boy. Philippines? Ba't naka-Vietnam ka?
Bawal. Spy ako.
Spy? Sabihin, spy ka ng mga Vietnamese?
Ngayon lang ako nakapunta, guys. Akala na nga. Pagkatapos ka maligo. Sabi nila, 20%, di ba?
Nakala gusto mo yung may matcha? Yung matcha, pero hindi pa rin.
Kasi tinitignan niyo.
Yung. Saan? Saan? Eto?
Uy, tumitingin eh.
Ay, na ako. Pati, eto?
Kasi mga anak mo, pinapagalitan ka kay nakaano ka, nakabacklist ka. Sabi ko, bakit yung isa nakabacklist yung ano? Sabi niya, hindi mo namin nanay yun. Pangit kaya. Sabi Tapang.
Nasa city na sila. Kanina nasa mountain. Okay na ako.
Later, you'll have your food. You just
Ay, ito ay suso, no?
Ini ka tayo.
Yes, sir. That's the alcohol.
Kohol.
Kain ka pa. Daddy need to
Ang
drink.
masaya. Camping o ano?
Camping o city life?
Ibiya. Wow. Popsicle. Can I see? Can I see? Wow. 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 Popsicle. Can I see? Can I see? Wow.
Which one do you like? Camping or Hibiya? What? Both? Both?
Okay.